So let me give you the goods that you came for, and then we'll hop off. You need to start seeing results. Your spouse needs to start seeing results, because it's no different than your own confidence and your own self-esteem. If you're doing the thing, if you're busy, if you're doing the busy work, but there's no return on investment, there's no fruits of your labor, right? There's nothing there to harvest. You start to let those limiting beliefs creep in. I'm not good enough. I can't do this. I don't know enough. You're just not spending your time on the clearly identified income producing activities or things that you should do to make best use of your time. So if you can get in and get out of your business activities and your spouse is upset, but if the results start to show, you're building team, you are earning your investment back, you've got money coming in consistently, even if it's not a lot, they want to know what you're doing is producing some kind of result.